Welcome to Derek's World of Motorcycling. This is my Kawasaki S2A. As you can see, it's looking a bit more naked than usual. Now, about a couple of months ago, I took it out for a ride to the Piston Club in Stratford-upon-Avon. After posting the video, a couple of viewers commented that they could hear a rattling sound from the engine. Further investigation revealed that there was indeed a noise from cylinder 1 on the near side of the engine. The viewers suspected that it could be piston slab or a loose crankshaft bearing. Part of the engine work done on this bike involved refurbishing the crankshaft with new bearings and seals. I also replaced the original normal size pistons with new old stock OEM parts. I did check the diameters of all the cylinder bores beforehand, and they were all within 0.05mm of each other, which is the tolerance specified by the manufacturer. They were also well within the stated service limit of 53.15mm. The next stage of the investigation was to examine the current condition of the pistons. To do this, I bought a garage endoscope off eBay, which only cost £7. With it, I was able to examine the pistons through the inlet ports. Cylinder 3 piston looked very clean, with only minimal scratching to its side. Cylinder 2 piston was in slightly worse condition, with minor signs of scoring. However, there was significant scoring and damage to the cylinder 1 piston, which clearly wasn't present on the others. The next step was to examine the cylinder 1 barrel and piston more closely. Closer inspection showed the extent of the damage to both the piston and cylinder bore. I measured the bore again to see if anything had changed significantly since taking the first readings. Measurements were taken 10 and 25 mm from the top and 20 mm from the bottom. 2 measurements were taken at each position, front to back and side to side. As before, all the measurements were within 0.05 mm of each other, within the manufacturer's tolerance. One thing I had neglected to do before was to calculate the piston clearances. In hindsight, this was a mistake. The diameter of the piston was measured 5 mm from the bottom, front to back. The cylinder bore was also measured at the same position. Subtracting the piston diameter from the bore diameter gives the piston clearance. The clearance turned out to be 0.063 mm or 0.0025 inches, which is outside the maximum specified tolerance of 0.035 mm or 0.00138 inches. This would explain the engine problem. I'm going to take the piston and barrel to a local engine specialist for a second opinion and to see how I should proceed from here. What do you guys think? Feel free to leave a comment in the comment section below. I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Thanks for watching.